Hello guys, hopefully you all are well. Today in this video tutorial we are gonna look how to get free certificate from online. Before starting, I want to tell you about a site called BitDegree, and this is one of the best sites to get free certificate. Actually this site provide you free certificates and free courses. There's a lot of courses you can get free certificate. Let me show you how you'll get free certificate from this site. First you have to search BitDegree. And just click on this, and for entering this site you have to sign up for first, and you just click on this sign up free, and here you have to use your email ID and password. Let me do it. And I'm entering my password now. And now click on sign up. And then click on continue. And then again you have to click on this continue. And now here is your profile. Here's many courses and your courses, learning path, there's a lot of things, and you can log out here. Here's my settings, and now I'm gonna click on this and just enroll your courses. Where you get your courses, enroll your courses, my courses. Here first you'll have to enter your name, in certificate which name will provide your name. You have to provide that name, which name will be in your certificate. I'm entering my name, and then you will have to click next, and you will have to select your country. Where are you from? And I'm from Bangladesh, so I'll click in that and click on next. Here's many things you have to click on this. Your work style is extremely organized and method. All this is we'll have to click on that, and then click next. There are some more questions. Here we will click in strongly agree. Actually I read them first, so I don't have to need to read them. If you want to read them, you can. I missed one, sorry. And just click on see your result. And here you will get your all the certificate from which you can easily achieve free certificate. And here is the courses. Now let me click on this, let me open something. Learn soldiering with space dogs, and let's click on this. Okay, start learning. You'll have to click start learning. You'll have to click start now and then continue. And actually this is a course that you will have to do program. And I'm not gonna going any program. I'm not gonna going to do any program. So just skip on this, and then this, here, and just click on this. Let's click on this course and start learning. Click on start learning. Maybe it's in processing. Okay, find other courses. I'll have to click find other courses. Let me start learning. Okay, this course is not opening, so let me try this one. By this one, start learning. Let me refresh this page first, maybe because of this. Okay, here is all categories. You will get all categories. Here will get categories, and you can choose which category you wanna do. So I select all categories and I select it. Okay, there's many courses for free and there's many courses that you have to pay. So let me start from a free course. Start learning now. Well, this one. This is a video course. You have to start learning now. Okay. And you have to click this start learning now. And then you have to click yes, enroll. And continue with watching. And here is 28 videos, and you have to just watch these videos. And the videos duration here is the video duration. Let me skip. Here is the video duration. You have to watch 28 videos, and the duration is not that much long, so you can just watch them. So start from this. Here the video starts, and one by one the video will be shown. And you can also speed up your video like 2x, and don't try to skip the videos. And if you skip the videos, you will not get the certificate. By watching these videos, you will get certificate. Here is the video. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, there's not. And go back and just watch the other courses. Here's many courses you get for free, and all categories. I'll have to click all categories, and let's see the courses which was free. And this one is also free. For free you get many certificate. This is a HTML and CSS course. You have to do HTML and CSS on this course, and by that you will get free certificate of HTML. And there is lot of courses. Here is the course beginner guide to how to make game and Unity. By start learning now, you enter the course. And here is lot of courses, and there are many courses that you have to pay. And like Python is a course. If you want to do this course, you have to pay $3.99. But if you are not affordable to do this, then you can do free courses, which courses are free. By installing this one, 2, page 2, 3, 4, you'll get many more courses. And if the courses are complete, you can log out. To clicking here, you just log out from this. And when you will login, and after logging on this you'll get on this page again. So this is, and you can also enter in BitDegree by your Facebook account, a Google account, or a LinkedIn or blah blah. You can also log in by these accounts also. So here is the thing, here is the all things you can get easily certificate. And I guess you should have tried to get, because final certificates is very important for us to go abroad. It will make things easy to achieve scholarship. So best of luck.